Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new website in SiteGround. First, go to siteground.com, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials, and hit this login button. Now, from this top bar, click on Websites. Here you will see a list of your available websites. And to create or to add a new website, just click on this new website button. Here you can select between registering a new domain for this website, using an existing domain, which means using a domain name that you own but is registered on another domain name registrar, or you can go with simply a temporary domain. In my case, I will go with a temporary domain. Click on select and hit continue. On this setup site step, you can select between installing a new application, for example, WordPress, or transferring an existing project or an existing website hosted on another web hosting provider like GoDaddy or somewhere else. Or you can also skip this step and create a blank website. I will go with skip and create blank website. And on this add extras and reviews, this is just it's like an ads for their email marketing service and premium backup. And before clicking on this finish button to start creating our new website, you can also select your data center, which means the geolocation of your server. And it is better to select a server close to your website visitors. For example, I'm talking in English, so it is better to go with the USA, a server located in inside the USA. Let's go with California, for example. Click on this confirm button and hit this finish button. Don't worry, you can always go back and change this server location. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I don't know why, but this site creation took longer than usual. And they let me know that I will receive a confirmation email once the automatic installation is completed. Otherwise, if the automatic installation fails, a ticket will be posted to their support team to manually install the application. Fortunately, I received this email a minute later stating that my site was successfully created on SiteGround and I can log in. So here I will go back to this website's page, And as you can see, my website is created. This is the last one. And to access the site tools dedicated for this new website, just click on this site tools button. And from site tools, I can now create, manage my website, for example, accessing the file manager application to upload or download my website files, create a database from my SQL, I think. Yes, create a database. You can also create or generate a backup of my website, enforce the HTTPS instead of just the HTTP, install our WordPress on this new website, connect a domain. For example, here I can connect a domain to this new website, create an email account, and see the statistics of this new account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.